Hello guys, this is Miss Sabine. This is the first YouTube video where I will show you how to record the laptop screen with audio using OBS Studio. So let's go to the Google and search for it. So once we come inside, please click on the download install file. So once we install the software dashboard look like this. Before we doing anything, let's check the desktop audio and microphone. Let's make it to the full. Then we can go to the setting, check some output settings, audio settings, where you can select the speakers and microphone hotkeys. Here I have put backspace and shift for the start, stop, and pause and unpause the recording. This is a shortcut key you can put on your own preferences. Click on apply and OK. Then we go to the sources. We click on the plus, display the capture. OK. Then select on the monitor that you want to record. So I have a three screen, that's why I got three options. So for now, I'll just select the primary monitor, then click on OK. Then once you do the OK, then come here and click on start recording. Now I cannot do it because it's already recording. So once you finish your things and come back again here and click on stop recording, then if you have to see the file, recorded file, then go to the files. So recording, and you'll find your files over here. And that's it for today. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe the my YouTube channel. Thank you.